Welcome to the flock. Thank you for tuning in to crypto's hottest YouTube channel, Crypto Profits. I am the Nakamoto family's favorite uncle, aka the big bull on the block, Marlon Jones.
And I'm the one fueling your trip to the moon, Crypto Burn.
What's up, YouTubers? Welcome to Crypto Profits. This is our first show. This is Marlon Jones, the big bull on the block.
This is Crypto Burn.
And we're your prophets that are going to help you guys give you preach the good word of crypto. And hopefully everybody here can make some monies. Anyway, guys, let's talk a little bit about, I want to jump right on in to our first thing we want to cover today, which is what coins should you be hodling, or what coin should you be trying to grab and the next ones to jump. I've been looking, guys, and I don't know, Crypto Burn. I think that Bitcoin might be the coin to buy. As you can see, guys, we have here drawn up for you little support and resistance lines, and you can see, I mean, Bitcoin is it hit a bottom. I pointed this out to Crypto Burn.
I mean, it's looking pretty good. It's definitely a buy right now.
But think about this. Last time we had this type of bounce, or this type of volume, I should say, this type of bear volume, was back on, looks like November 11th. And you can see that started this just huge bull run we've come off. If you look at the volume climax, it's about the same. So
we can be anticipating another bull run very shortly. Maybe not as much as then, but we're expecting a little jump.
Yeah, I mean, I could definitely see a bounce back up to 12,000, maybe 15,000. I don't know. I have to see what kind of bull volume's coming off here. But guys, if you're looking to buy, if you got some fiat and you're looking to get into Bitcoin, this is going to be your first. This right now is a good time to buy. You do not want to buy these tops. You want to buy these dips. And a lot of this is FUD. We're going to talk about that. A lot of FUDs going on in the news right now. You need to pay attention to the news when looking at your charts and trying to make your decisions, because a lot of this is people having fear. A lot of fear in here, and it's irrational fear. And it looks like we might be due for a market turn here. So anyway, I'm going to put a buy order out, guys. I'm putting a buy order out, or we're putting a buy order out on Bitcoin. So that's going to be our coin for the week. I would buy it now. If it goes down to 7,400, I would buy more. And just to let you guys know, the big bull is going to come 10 strong if it gets down to 5,000, if it hits this resistance line. So I'm coming real. I got a heavy gun waiting for $5,000 if we can get there. But anyway, guys, I think anytime you buy between $8,000 and $5,000 would be an excellent buy. If you can get it at anywhere from 8,500 to $5,000, you're making a good buy.
Just keep your eyes on the charts, guys. Keep your eyes on Bitcoin. Keep your eye on the ball.
Yep, eye on the moon, guys. Eyes on the moon. All right, so let's see what's going on in the news today. This week, what happened? We had some pretty big things. The biggest one, guys, is this whole SEC and this Tether. Apparently, the FCC subpoenas Bitfinex's Tether as questions mount over audit. Just to let you guys know where I'm coming from with this, I think this is total, complete FUD. Everybody's saying that Tether. Well, let me read it. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, some most notably pseudo-anonymous critics of Bitfinex have alleged that Tether is operating a fractional reserve to artificially inflate the price, and he claims cover up alleged insolvency at Bitfinex. The exchange, meanwhile, has promised to pursue legal action against individuals making patently false claims about the company. While these claims have not been proven, Tether's long-awaited balance sheet audit has yet to materialize. On Monday, CCN reported that the relationship between Tether and its auditor, Friedman LPP, has been dissolved, although neither firm responded to requests seeking more information. And it says, given the excruciatingly detailed procedures Friedman was undertaking for the relatively simple balance sheet of Tether, it became clear that an audit would be unattainable in a reasonable time frame. Bloomberg quotes Tether as saying in a statement. Analysts have forecast that if Tether were operating as a fractional reserve and evidence of this came to light, it could trigger a widespread cryptocurrency market crash that could slice splashes anywhere from 10 to 80%. Pay attention here, guys. 10 to 80%, okay? Now, this is the FUD I'm talking about. The total supply of Tether. Don't we have that pulled up, Crypto Burn?
Yeah, right here.
All right over here. All right, the total Tether supply is 2.2 billion Tether, guys. Okay? 2.2 billion Tether. There's $393 billion in the market cap. Although $2.2 billion is a lot of money, that is not enough to pump Bitcoin alone. Where's Bitcoin? Right here. Let's go to Bitcoin. Yeah. Bitcoin has $140 billion market cap, guys, right now. $140 billion. So we're talking, what? Maybe 1% or less than 2% of the total Bitcoin volume. And keep in mind, not all Tether is in Bitcoin, so I would say it's either less than 1%. So Tether having that huge of an impact, now it could cause people to freak out. Yeah. People that don't put things in perspective.
I mean,
but go ahead.
I mean, Tether alone, I'm glad that this is finally getting taken care of. People get scared of anything. You could tell them the world's gonna end the next day, and a lot of people would believe it.
Yeah,
you could literally, like, anyone that has a voice in this could say anything, and a lot of people would believe it. It's just all about how strong your hands are.
That's right.
In this environment.
So right now, I'm glad you said that. The thing is, guys, you want to have strong hands. You definitely, if you're holding on to Bitcoin, if you've invested, and if you bought Bitcoin at 15,000, you do not want to be selling right now. If you're learning how to get into cryptocurrencies and you just wanted to get in and you want to put some money there, don't sell on the FUD. I'm gonna say some things, guys. You don't sell on the FUD. You don't buy on the FOMO. Buy in the red, sell in the green. Some things that you're going to hear a lot of these guys that we talk about and we watch on this YouTube, they make things sometimes sound complicated. To me, I'm going to try to make it preach the word to you guys in plain English. Something that's simple to understand, which is buy in the red, sell in the green. Follow those rules. If it's a green day and you're buying a coin, you're doing wrong. Wait for at least, and you can get more technical and you can get more sophisticated. But if you're a brand new to the market, you don't know anything about technical analysis, you haven't really been, you heard about Bitcoin and want to get in it, you're still studying and you want to put a little money behind it, buy in the red, sell in the green. You shouldn't be selling though. Don't sell. Just buy in the red.
Especially at this point in the market, how it's dipping as it is. Definitely buy your dips, guys. Because in a few months from now, who knows? This market might fucking turn around and be back where it used to be. There's no telling.
Well, the chart's saying that it's getting ready to come. We're gonna have a bounce. So that's what we're saying. Buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now. There's a lot of FUD out here. This Tether stuff. Now, another thing I want to get back to that Tether article. None of this stuff, only thing we know, you conspiracy theorists out there and everybody that's freaking out about this, is that they received a subpoena from the CFTC for the only thing we know is that the Commodities Futures Trading Commission sent subpoenas. Now, we don't even know what they subpoenaed them for.
No, they could be
we don't know.
There's no...
And with the company that's claiming to be backed in U.S. dollars, you best believe Uncle Sam is going to do an investigation. Now, if it turns out to be that Tether is a sham, that's really not a big deal with regard to Bitcoin. It's a big deal to you guys holding Tether, but it's not going to be the first scam cryptocurrency, and it won't be the last. The whole thing is that this type of news is driving the FUD that's depressing the market. I'm not saying that in a bad way. I like this, guys. I'm excited. I mean, I know you probably can't hear it in my voice. It's a Super Bowl, man. It was just, yeah. I'm a big, it didn't do anything for me. But anyway, it was a good game, but didn't do anything for me. So I'm kind of like, But Bitcoin,
I mean,
this is the time when you can buy. This is the time you can make moves in Bitcoin in terms of acquiring a larger position. If the prices become affordable without this FUD, who knows? The price needed to calm down. We came up way too fast to 20,000. And here's another lesson in trading, guys. When you see these parabolic moves, these big booms like this, if you notice all the way back from the beginning of 17 all the way to November, we've had pretty healthy growth in Bitcoin. It's been a nice, slow growth. Not slow, but where the price has had some time to cool off, establish itself, and then we go on a little run. But this run was too much. Between November and December, that's ridiculous. We went up, 300% in a month? We were due for a correction, a big correction.
I think
a price correction is
yeah.
needed. And we're coming back to where it was when we were sensible, back in the $7,300, $8,000 range. When we were creeping toward 10, a healthy growth to 10 would have been great. But things went crazy once Bitcoin hit $10,000. It just skyrocketed. I'm going to get rich overnight.
Yeah, a lot of people did for a few minutes.
Well, that's FOMOing, though. That happens when FOMO. But FUD is where the good times come, because now we can get more Bitcoin. But anyway, so I'm going to have to, my end all, I'm not going to beat this to death. My end all verdict on Tether, FUD. Crypto burn, what do you think? Is it FUD? Is it something we should be concerned about?
I think the herd is thinning out. This isn't bad news nor good news. I believe it's just FUD. It's definitely FUD.
FUD. Okay, let's talk about some more FUD. We got more. The SEC has shut down another ICO, this time an alleged $6 million scam in Texas. Well, guys, I'm not going to read through this entire article because it's long, but I will point out that this is against this company called Arise ICO, and they were a bank, basically, that said that they were going to be the first decentralized bank, which we all know if you've been in crypto any time that there are many decentralized banking platforms that are out there. So they're far from first. But these guys apparently made claims to be registered with the FDIC. And here in the article it states, however, neither Arise Bank nor KFMC Bank Holding Company appear to be registered with regulators, including the Texas Secretary of State, nor the FDIC. So if that's true, these guys have committed fraud. Again, nothing to do with Bitcoin. When you have a $300 billion market in its infancy, you're going to have, you think there's never been a scam in a stock company? There's never been a scam stock. There's never been
Yeah, we don't have scam stocks. What are you talking about?
Well, where there's money, there's thieves.
You can't stop the bad people from getting it. If there's money on the table, people are going to take it.
But again, this is not regulating peer-to-peer. This does not have anything to do fundamentally with Bitcoin's network. It doesn't have anything to do with hashing power. It doesn't have anything to do with Bitcoin transactions. So this, again, people read this type of stuff. And when this type of stuff is prevalent in the news, again, that's a good indication when you should be thinking, if you're on the smart side, buying. When there's positive news, and we'll be going over that too, when the price is at an all-time high and all these articles are great, and you're going to get rich overnight, we're going to go over that, and you should be selling. That's when you hit the sell button. But anyway, again, another FUD article, and the simple fact that it's good information. It's good to see the SEC is busting apparently a scammer, but we don't know. I mean, this guy hadn't had his day in court. This Jared Rice, CEO of the Rise Bank. You know, he might be a dirtbag. He might be a legitimate fellow.
Yeah, at least they're trying. You know, at least I like to see them at least doing something, not against us, but for us.
Yeah, in a way.
It is what it is.
All right, and finally, I think that's all we're going to talk about today on that end. Let's go over my favorite section. Is my favorite YouTubers out there. We're going to start out with MIA on Champagne Crypto. Bro, Champagne Crypto is a good channel I've been following for a long time. He's got 14,000 subscribers. He's been dropping videos. I think he dropped I think 2 videos this week. Let's see. I caught 2 of them. Yeah, he's dropped only 2 videos. Well, no, he's done.
In the last few days.
Yeah, in the last few days he's done a few videos. But it's been 6 days since we've had our last live show. Now, Champagne used to go live every day. What's up with what's up? You don't want to hear from the Crypto Maniac, Champagne? What's up, baby? You know, life's busy. I know you're having a little maniac. Was he born? Let the Maniac family know something, brother. But anyway, Champagne's best video, in my opinion, was probably this Monero hard fart coming, and I made a mistake, and that was Minerve, I guess is the coin, and it's supposed to, I guess, compete with Bitcoin, be anonymous, and I hadn't really read up on it, but I accidentally bought XRMG, which is Monero Gold.
Damn.
Well, it was only a couple $100 I put in it, but it's not a big deal. I'm just gonna hold it. It's gone down a lot.
Yeah, just hold.
I've taken a hit, but it'll be back eventually. One day I'll wake up. It'll be
Them
a
hands
trender.
of steel.
Yeah. Got hands of steel on it, big dog.
That dedication now, guys.
But back to the main subject at hand, though. Champagne, where are you at, brother? We need a show about you. We need a live stream. Sound the siren. Put some buy orders in. We're putting a buy order on Bitcoin right now. I hope you're watching this, big dog. All right. This dude is one of my favorite YouTubers, but sometimes he can be such a clown. Crypto Daily. All right. What has Crypto Daily been talking about lately in the YouTube space? Let's see. It looks like it's all about the bottom in BitConnect. About the market dumping, and basically, you know, he's calling out the FUD too. Facebook bans Tether. I watched that one. That was a pretty good video. But I am sick of your BitConnect videos and lawsuits. Again, why are we being the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency police? Nobody cares about this, dude. All you people that are crying and whining and boo-hooing, you need to spend the energy, like the energy he spent making this video. Why it could have been spent on something more productive.
Very, I fully agree with you on that. Like that's like time. We already know about this. Like, tell us something we don't know, something we can benefit from.
And guys, I'm gonna say it again. Time is the most valuable. This is one of my first prophecies on Crypto Profits. Time is your most valuable asset. It ain't Bitcoin. It's not any God-given gift you think you may have or not. The best gift God gave all of us is time. We can't buy any more of it, and in a day we all get the same amount of it. Now, how you use 13 minutes and 33 seconds were spent on a topic that is not going to profit me, you, or you out there. So why even bring it up, dude?
I mean, like, these are multiple videos. Not only that one. I mean, come on,
They're
guys.
all over the place. Yeah,
like, there's no point in these BitConnect videos.
But then, see, my boy does come back in with the, is this the bottom video? Now, this is the type of thing we need to be talking about. Is 8,000 the bottom? 7,500 the bottom? Are we going to go to 5? Just trying to get a good price so we can do what? Make that money. Make that money.
Exactly. It's all about that money. That's why we're here, guys. We're here for the money. Nothing else, nothing less.
Now, this guy right here, Coin Mastery, I love this channel. I got to give a big shout out to coinmastery.com. I've learned so much from this guy. He does a show pretty much every day. Here, let me pull him up. We're almost at guys. If you're watching this channel, please subscribe. He's almost at 100,000. His name's Carter Thomas, by the way. He's almost at 100,000 views, and Carter Thomas has just some great rational videos. If you look at his list of videos, I would at least suggest you start out with the videos from last week and catch yourself up.
Yeah.
But he's been talking about Bitcoin's price and the bubble and the SEC and how just, kind of similar things that we're talking about here. He does a lot of technical analysis on his show. And again, the main topic this week, guys, is Bitcoin's price. And while these guys see this and when they talk about it, they're not excited. I'm excited about it. I want it to keep falling, to be honest with you guys. I want it to go down to 5. This is what I want. I'm not saying this, guys, as any type of financial advice or yada, yada, yada. I'm saying this in terms of what I wish would happen, that Bitcoin go down to 5,000. Why? Because I want to buy more.
Yeah, it becomes more affordable. Who wants to buy Bitcoin at $20,000? I'm sorry those who did, but I mean that's just not.
I'd much rather buy it. I'd much rather buy it from that person that bought it at 20, and he sell it to me for 5. That sounds like a good deal.
That sounds sweet.
That sounds like a good deal.
That's a good deal.
That's a good deal. I like it. So, and then sell it back to him for 35,000. That's how you become a millionaire, guys.
New episodes every Sunday evening. And if you want to be part of this flock, hit that subscribe button, stand on the thumbs up, and ring that notification bell.
And until next week, peace out.